Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper arm from Pre LCI to LCI. And you're probably thinking, what is the difference? In this video I'm going to show you the difference. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you how to remove your existing wiper blades and how to replace them. So let's get started. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would anyone want to replace the wiper blades itself? The Pre LCI wiper blades has these type of wiper blades here, which when you pick it up, you'll notice it has these types of wiper, the blades itself. These are the slot-in type blades where it's held on by, it's kept on by this cover, and that's the blade. Whereas the LCI blades are just a solid piece of metal. It's thicker, it's actually lighter than this, it's thinner, it's more sleek, and it just looks a little bit better. Also, the availability for the blades is much more easily available because these LCI blades work on the F30 as well. To get to the actual blade, all you have to do is remove these covers. It reveals. To get started, all you're going to need is a 16mm socket, ratchet, or a spanner. Whichever one you want to choose, either method will work fine. So let's get started with that. To remove the actual blade itself, first thing you do is going to remove these nut covers. That'll expose the 16mm nut. There's one on each wiper arm. Thereafter, you're going to be taking your 16mm socket and you're just going to crack it open. Same with the other side. So once that's done, all you can do is just going to remove the nut like so. And these nuts have washers that are retaining. So if you can see that, they are retainer washers. Start coming off and keep them aside. All you're going to do is just wiggle it up and it's out. And there's it there. Now I'm going to do it for the other side. Now with working with these blades, you notice there are going to be slight differences. This one with this extensive curve is for the left hand side of the vehicle. This one with this, where it's kind of straight, is for the right hand side of the vehicle. You'll also notice it because this one here, the right hand side takes a longer blade and the left hand side takes a shorter blade, like that. Another thing to know is I've deliberately left my windscreen slightly dirty, so I know exactly where the wiper is supposed to end off in its closed position, so that way it's not over sweeping and coming off the glass and finishing up off here. So you know exactly where it's supposed to fit. So with these wiper arms removed, I'm going to be installing the new ones right now, and you're going to see exactly how easy it is to replace it. So stick around, let's get to it. So we have to compare these wiper arms side by side. You can see the difference. This is the actual left hand side of it. You see the Pre LCI has these little cutouts and this cover, whereas the LCI wiper arms are just plain metal with these pinch type wiper blades. So let's put these on now. Now this is the reason why I chose to leave the windscreen slightly dirty. You could mark it, but it's fine. And once you have it all done, just put these caps back on. And we're done. Now to confirm that they are working, you notice that here is where the wiper blades used to end up. So I'm going to see how far they end up now. So I'm just going to spray a bit of water onto it now. That's actually not that bad. It's maybe slightly off, but some finer adjustment will be fine. So there you have it, guys. That's the easiest way, and that's the only way to replace the wiper arms on your E90. Now from Pre LCI to LCI, it does make a difference in terms of availability for wiper plates itself. And these are actually quite cheaper. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the wiper blades. So stick around for that. If you like this video, please like the video, give it a thumbs up, please share your comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.